Andreas Stihl AG & Co. KG is a German company operating in more than 120 countries. Stihl represents true German quality and innovation through its various handheld power tools. It is the world leader in chainsaw and cut-off saws. Products made and marketed by Stihl include brush cutters, hedge trimmers, concrete cutters, mist blowers, high-pressure cleaners, vacuum cleaners, sweepers, blowers and many more. Stihl operates through 40,000 servicing dealers globally. Andreas Stihl Pvt Limited, a wholly owned sales subsidiary, is headquartered at Pune, Maharashtra. It operates nationwide through its network of dealers. Stihl India has a major market share in sectors like agriculture, horticulture, forestry, landscaping and plantations. Now it concentrates on cleaning and garden care segment as well. Cleaning is a time-consuming daily job, be it the car, backyard, workshop, cattle shed, factory, etc. Stihl high-pressure cleaners ensure thorough cleanliness in domestic or commercial applications. Cleaning has become easy with Stihl high-pressure cleaners. Induction motors from RE98 and above models for low noise and long life. Rotary coupling on high-pressure hose prevents twisting. Easy mobility with integral cart. Automatic shutdown minimizes power consumption and noise and reduces premature wear. Holders for high-pressure hose, spray lands, connecting cord and accessories. RE129 Plus is with hose reel, compartment in housing with holder for fan jet nozzle and rotary nozzle. All the models have external water filter in addition. Infinitely variable pressure or water flow control to suit cleaning task. Pressure is indicated on gauge on professional models. Steel braided high pressure hose. Integrated detergent tank and detergent flow control knob on professional models. Flat jet nozzle with adjustable operating pressure. Stihl high pressure cleaner is a multi-purpose machine. It is most useful to clean solar panel on your rooftop. Pipe cleaning set can remove the blockade in the drainage system inside the building. Surface cleaner is useful for quick and splash-free cleaning of large horizontal and vertical surfaces. Vehicle cleaning has become easy with different attachments. Industrial houses and dairy units use Stihl high-pressure cleaners to get rid of sticky dirts and stains on different equipment and machine components. Thorough cleaning of the cattle shed floor is possible with very less water and effort. Unbelievable garbage on the floor of the piggery can be washed away comfortably. Cleaning of showroom glasses was never so easy. Another important usage of Stihl high-pressure cleaners is sandblasting. It takes off the old paint layer for repainting on automobile, machine and unwanted writing on the walls. Sand particles of specified size flow with rushing water and hit the surface, removing the paint without damaging the metal surface. It saves a lot of time and labor and also the cost. This work is still faster with this bigger machine RE272. Stihl wet and dry vacuum cleaners are true all-rounders for domestic and professional users. Cleaning even the minute dust at home is important for good breath for better health. High suction power. Suction power control for different floors. Fleece filter bag with additional filtration. Cleaning the air filter inside without opening is possible. Stainless steel tubular handle and suction tube for long life in SE122 model. Holders for suction tube and hose simplify transportation. Powerful Stihl vacuum cleaner leaves no dust on the floor. Cleaning woolly and designed floor mats is an easy task with this machine. With different attachments matching the situation, we can clean nook and corner of the house, computer, fan, air conditioner, etc. Cleaning car interiors will also be perfect. Drying by sucking the spilled or leftover water on the floor was never so easy, be it in kitchen, dairy, industry, etc. Stihl sweepers are designed to collect road dirt, leaves, paper and similar debris from flat and hard surfaces. These are ideal for domestic, commercial and municipal usages. It is the best economic alternative for tiresome manual sweeping. Stihl sweepers saves lot of time and labor with no compromise on cleanliness. Ergonomically designed handle, optimally adjustable to user height. 2 contra-rotating side brooms and wide roller brush removes very fine dust in kg 770. Low weight, high mobility, easy to push. Long life transmission for optimal power transmission. Large capacity hopper for long periods of uninterrupted operation. Central height adjustment for different surfaces. Bristles made of tough, durable nylon. A brush lowering lever and protruding circular brushes ensure cleanliness in corners and edges. Foam air filter and all-round sealing. Dust clouds are prevented and fine dust particles are retained. Stihl sweepers are useful both for indoors and outdoors. Clean sweeping is possible without bending the back of the operator. Cleaning paths and yards with undulations, cracks and crevices time and again is a difficult task by manual sweeping. There is no better alternative than Stihl petrol engine and electric blowers for the purpose. They are the perfect devices for landscape gardeners, municipal workers, cleaning companies and home owners. Very easy to start and to operate. Lightweight and compact construction. Additional fuel pump for easy starting. Soft grip zone for secure and comfortable control. Easy conversion into a powerful vacuum shredder. Second handle for use in vacuum mode with stop switch integrated in lockable throttle trigger. Stihl Ergo Start, a spring between the starter cord reel and crankshaft, makes starting very easy with no efforts. HD2 air filter keeps even the finest dust away from the engine, ensuring long life. Stihl anti-vibration system minimizes the transmission of engine vibration to the operator. Ideal for cleaning in noise-sensitive residential areas and around hospitals, kindergartens, etc. Lightweight, compact and powerful airstream, simple to operate. Integral cord strain relief to avoid detachment. Easy to handle and emission-free. Simple tool-less conversion into powerful vacuum mode.